Hi, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my kitchen. If you want to know how I make this deliciousness you're seeing on the screen, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Today's soup is Eforiro, Nigerian vegetable soup that is so versatile, so delicious, so irresistible. Just keep watching. First, these are the ingredients I'm gonna use today. We've got some peppers, tomato, onion, and the meat. I'm gonna use smoked turkey and beef, and we have fish and all that. So first of all, we're gonna start by boiling the meat. I've just added some onion and Maggi and salt to taste. We're gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water so that the meat doesn't get burned, because the meat is not a lot, so it's not going to render a lot of juice. So I just added a little bit of water. So we're going to let that cook for 10 minutes like I said earlier on, and after that I'm going to add some more water, just a little bit more, and let that cook for a further 10 minutes. So keep watching. So moving on to the fish, I'm gonna air fry this fish, so I need to season it before I put it in the air fryer. So I'm gonna season with some salt and a Maggi cube and just let it combine it very well with the fish before I put it in the air fryer for about 10 to 12 minutes. So after that, I checked it and felt that it was okay. So I took it out of the air fryer, kept it aside till I needed it. So next, I'm gonna check on the meat to see how well it's cooked. At this point, I reckon that it needed a bit more of water. So I added some more water and I let it cook for 10 more minutes. Yeah. I added the water off camera, so you didn't see me adding it, but if you can notice, the water has increased in the pot. So let that cook, like I said, for 10 minutes. So my choice of vegetable today is spinach, but it might interest you to know that the spinach contains 93% of water, and so in order to reduce this water before adding the vegetable to the soup, I had to blanch it and squeeze out the excess water just to reduce the quantity of water that the vegetable will release when I add it to the soup. So I'm roughly blending the tomato, pepper, onion, just roughly blending and not really smooth consistency. And moving on to the soup, I added some palm oil to the pan, and thereafter the blended tomato pepper mixture. Let this cook for 5 minutes, but you have to make sure you're stirring so that it doesn't burn. You don't want it to burn, so stir. And I'm gonna add the crayfish, the Maggi. Added 2 Maggi cubes instead. And added tomato puree. And then the meat, already cooked meats, I added that. Just stirring to make sure that it's well combined. 10 minutes. I checked on it. It's cooking nicely. Oh, now you need to smell the aroma in the room. The kitchen was smelling so lovely. And thereafter, I added the smoked mackerel. Guys, always try and use smoked mackerel in your soups. It is so lovely. It just takes the taste to another level. And then the already air fried fish, I've just added them. At this point, you have to be careful when you're stirring so you don't break your fish. You don't want the fish to all be in pieces. So you stir carefully, gently. At this point, the soup is almost ready. Now adding the vegetable. And once you add the vegetable, just let it cook for almost 2 minutes. And that's it. It's ready. Good to go. Can you see how lovely it's looking? This vegetable is lovely with rice, with pounded yam, with yam, plantains. It's very versatile. It's lovely and it's delicious. If you try this recipe, I assure you will keep trying it. You will keep making it because it's so delicious. Guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Bye.